It really feels like a full circle moment, and honestly, para rin siyang dream come true for me.
Wow! Kailangan yung pakinggan talaga. Grabe.
Actually, yung reason ko for saying yes for this collab is I'm really just a fan and a huge admirer of Poppert's gift, of Poppert's craft. In fact, yung pagkanta niya ay isa sa mga influence nung pagkanta ko na kaya rin pala na mag-thrive yung ganong kataas na boses in terms of singing, kasi grabe yung range ng boses ni Poppert eh. So sobrang, mula noon hanggang ngayon hanga talaga ako sa kanya.
Di nga. So sobra akong natuwa and nagkaroon ng chance na medyo naging comfortable yung usapan namin, and nagkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob to ask him about this collaboration. And nung sinabi niyang yes to this collaboration, I sent him this song. Tapos nung nagustuhan niya, ayun na, biglang game na.
Gusto ko sa Kung Di Na Kaya is it's a song about being there for a friend, which I mean it's a very light, subjectively light topic, pero bihira mo rin siya makita sa mga songs, at least recently. So I think the sincerity of the intention of the song is what makes it special. My favorite line for that song is lahat ng galit sa mundo. Well, yung full context niya kasi is parang lahat ng galit sa mundo pwede mong ilapag lang. So I think being that person for someone else is really something that's rare to find nowadays, and this song captures that genuine and authentic friendship.
Excited ako kasi alam ko kung gaano siya kahusay, and ang na-excite ako na paano incorporate or mag-mix yung boses naming dalawa, and it turns out, wow, kailangan yung pakinggan talaga. Grabe.
So kanina kumakanta kami magkasama kasi nung nagre-record kami ng song, and I mean I was hearing it in the recording and it was already special, but it's even more special when we did it live together.
Yung mga binabali ng notes na never kong in-expect, and sinabi ko nga sa composer kay Toto Seryoso na hindi mo makukuha ng overnight yun, based yun sa experience na kakasampa nila as band ng Ben and Ben, yung experience niya with the audience. Kaya nung ginawa niya yung pag-bend ng note na yun, yung line na yun, I was like, wow, para akong niyayakap doon sa ginawa niyang ad-lib. Abangan ninyo kung ano yun.
It really feels like a full circle moment, and honestly, para rin siyang dream come true for me, kasi parang naririnig ko lang siya dati sa YouTube, tsaka napapanood sa teatro, tapos to be given the chance to actually sing beside Poppert, I am really grateful to God for this gift, and I want to give it legas dito po sa project.
Maganda ang kabuuan ng kanta, yung duet namin. Pero yung second half ng song, naku, feeling ko TikTok nila to at pataasan sila. Parang na-surprise din ako kasi up for the challenge si Paolo bigla. Parang, sige nga, try ko din yung ginawa ni Poppert. Sabi ko, game! Then nung na-hit niya yung note na yun, I was like, wow, nagsigawan kami dito sa studio kanina. Kaya, abangan ninyo.
Hello, my name is Paolo Benjamin of Ben and Ben, and please stream and support Kung Hindi Na Kaya by Poppert Bernadas featuring me.
Thank you for supporting Kung Hindi Na Kaya. This is Poppert Bernadas. Palabas tayo.
Palabas tayo.